Hi everyone, I don't know if you heard about the Chanel tattoos that launched this week. They come like this, Le Trompe-l'œil de Chanel, and they are 3D looking tattoos. They look like this. Nick's going to get them close. You get, I think, 5 sheets of tattoos. They're £49 and they are available at Selfridges and Chanel boutiques. They are really gorgeous.
Beautiful.
And if anyone saw the Chanel show, you would already know what they look like, but if you didn't, then I'm going to hold this up so you can see. You can see on the wrist there, really awesome. And there's one on the neck. We're probably going to do the one on the neck.
Or similar.
Or similar, yeah, we haven't decided. There's one on the back of the leg. So you can add it all together. You can add different tattoos to create like really mega tattoos, or you can just use the tiny little ones, which are really nice. It's really simple to do. All you have to do is cut out the transfer you want. So say you want a swallow, you just cut around it, you peel off the front, and then you just wet the back and hold it on for, let's see, I think it's 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Go Nick.
Right, I'm going to cut this one out first. Now, we haven't done this yet, so you're seeing firsthand if it's actually difficult or hard. Do you think I should put the swallow on first and then match it up, or put the necklace on first and then match the swallow to the other side?
I think the necklace, yeah. Because you're kind of stuck. If you get the swallow in the wrong place, you're
exactly.
stuck.
The necklace will be too long. I think you're right.
Nick's doing it on me because I always wanted a tattoo, but I'm too scared to get one done. Nick has a few, and I'd really like one, but I just don't feel like it is. I don't feel like it's for me because I really like to change things too much, so I know I'd get really bored. And also, I've never found anything that I loved enough.
So I've cut this one. We're going to cut a little bit smaller than this one. Okay, so what we have to do is take the cellophane off of it, chuck that on the floor.
Yeah, as you do.
As you do. Let's position it. We want to pop this, can you see? I think right there would be nice. Okay, so I'm just going to get myself some cotton wool, and I've got some water here, which I'm just going to dip the cotton wool in. We should have got you a towel really, because it's going to drip down on you. So we just really soak it in a lot of water. I think Chanel have done a really good job with these. They're beautiful. They're really beautiful.
They've managed to keep that kind of
Chanel
feeling about it. I love the interwoven chain-looking ones. You know, like the handbags, like the Chanel handbags. They're really gorgeous. And in fact, I have a bracelet. I could make a bracelet that's almost identical to a Chanel bracelet I have out of these tattoos, which is pretty cool.
Okay, let's get the swallows on there.
So there you go, my first ever tattoo. I love it, I absolutely love it. You can create as many different designs with this as you can think of, to be honest, and they'll last you for a very long time because you have 5 sheets of them.
I'm going to have one now.
Yeah, we're going to do one on Nick now, probably on her wrist.
You want to do it for the
I
camera?
like these flowers too, look, aren't they lovely? Really Japanesey. And also, I really like these little Chanel logos that hang off like beautiful jewellery. So I am loving these Chanel tattoos, and thankfully I'm going out tonight.
We're going out.
We're going out tonight, yay!
Don't let any water get underneath it because they won't stick. If that happens, that should be about right.
You just hold it underneath so I can get all the water on. Well done, sister.
It says 30 seconds, but I didn't feel like yours was on even for 30 seconds. They're so good.
Oh, it's so exciting. Wow. Get close. You love this.
I want something hanging from it.
Okay, what?
We're
Something
going to
like
waste.
this?
We're going to use them all.
We're going to just sit here and use all of these up.
No, I want this.
That little one, I think.
I should have something hanging from there and then it hanging on my hand, shouldn't I? Or no?
Well, no, because what happens when you go to drink your pint later?
Yeah, that's true.
It'll be
My classy.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine.
No blood.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, this is exciting. Look at that.
That's so
I'm zooming
lovely.
in, I'm
Zoom
zooming in.
I can't turn my arm anymore.
Look how beautiful that is. Oh, they are so gorgeous, honestly.
So now not only do we love the foundations, we love the tattoos as well.
So these are the La Trompe-l'œil de Chanel temporary skin art tattoos. They are available from Selfridges in London and from the Chanel boutiques.
And they're limited edition, so you need to get yourself down there pretty quick to have as much fun as us.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Soon.
Very soon. Promise.
Bye.